Is your email strategy failing? Poor sender reputation could be the silent killer of your open rates. Understanding the root causes of low IP and domain reputation is essential for improving your email deliverability. Google Postmaster Tools offers free, invaluable insights, but marketers often struggle to interpret this critical data. Seed list testing is a game changer that allows businesses to diagnose potential deliverability issues before they escalate. Utilizing accurate metrics in Google Postmaster helps track IP reputation and spam complaint rates effectively, guiding necessary actions. Lack of list hygiene, high complaint rates, and authentication failures often damage sender reputation, leaving emails in the spam folder. Employing Warmy's advanced features can significantly enhance deliverability with seamless integration and innovative seed list strategies. Asking the right questions about email engagement metrics can unlock your email strategy's full potential and ensure inbox placement. With Warmy, maintaining a stellar reputation is within reach. Transform your email strategy and watch your engagement soar.